To use keyboard Clipboard on Oppo Find X9 Pro, first of all, we'll need to launch our keyboard. Next step is to click on the clipboard icon that is on the top right here. After clicking on it, you need to make sure that your clipboard is activated with this switch. Now, to modify the contents of your clipboard, you can click and hold each of them, and then there's the option to paste them into the text pool. You can pin them, that way they will always stay on the top, or you can remove them. To create your own pins right here, you can start typing in the search bar. So let's go for some word like, for example, dog. Then we can click and hold it with our finger and copy it. After we copied that text, we can then go into the clipboard. And here we should be able to see it. We can click and hold it again, and then there's option to edit. You can edit the text however you like. You can pin it, that way again it will stay on the top, and you can click on it to paste it how many times you like. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.